2, 3. Okay, I'm going to show how to set the key for the luggages. This is Delsey Paris one. The process is more or less the same. This comes with the default setting 0, 0, 0. If you look at here, you can see a red dot here, and it's if you move, and there's an arrow. To open this one, you have to move it this way. See? Okay. Now it's open. Now it's time to set the new key. For that, this is the reset button. Take a pen and push it down. Then it's whole go down and change it to. I would just change it to 111. And then what you have to do is you have to press this button toward the key, because this is the place to show which direction you have to push. Okay, I'm going to push it here. Okay, if you notice here, this come up. That means the key is set. Okay, let's see whether this key is set. Up. Okay, and I move this one to a different combination and push it. Oh no, yeah, it's all good. It's set. That's pretty simple, right? Yeah, nothing else. If you need to open, is move this number pads to the 111, then just push it toward this direction. Okay, see, that's all. That's simple as that. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any question, just post in the comment. Thank you. Bye.